Hello everybody, so I made it out here fishing today, Lake Simcoe, obviously. Got my hot dog cooking, that's my breakfast. So I'm in about 29 to 30 feet of water, haven't marked anything yet. I got two lines going. What I like to do is run a spoon a little bit higher up, about halfway in the water column. Jig that while I have my bait on bottom to hopefully get a whitefish. So now that I've missed a couple fish with my current presentation, I'm going to switch to a Meigs to punch bottom, make a dust cloud. That's going to attract them, call them in. And also on my second line halfway up the water column, I'm using a Freedom Tackle minnow. It really flashes, it brings the fish in, they can see it from a far distance. These come in all different colors, shapes, sizes. They flutter really well, they have a colored bead which really attracts perch, but just the flash of this spoon will call anything in. Both the lures that I mentioned are available at CanadianTackleStore.com. Check them out. They're a local business which we like to support, especially in these times. They have a wide variety, good selection, colors, weights, sizes. Check them out. You never know what else you'll find. If you don't have those baits right now, you have to get them. They're the best on Simcoe currently. Most people will tell you the exact same thing. I'm not trying to sell it. That's a big perch. And I lost him. Seems a bit slow here where I am. Could just be me and my technique. When I want to raise my spoon up to attract the fish, I do this and then just slowly let it back down. You don't have to lift your rod all the way to the top of your tent. Just hold here, lift up, just move your wrist back. Now you're doubling the height of your lure. And just let it fall. Punch bottom. So I just changed up. I just tied on a smaller Meigs just to finesse a little bit more. Tipped it with a little brown grub with a tail, and I just dropped it. I dropped it quick to hit bottom, and the whitefish just came in, and I just missed him. He raced back out, but he saw it. He knew where it was going. I guess he got spooked towards the end there, but they're in the area. So just to show you, that's what I'm using right now. I'm going to try and drop it right from the start, see if I get another one come racing in. That was the second whitefish that I could have had today. I should have been paying attention. As much as we don't like to admit it, we don't always catch fish. As a weekend warrior and not a professional, we have to accept that Lake Simcoe can be a heartbreaker. It's important to not be discouraged and plan your next trip out. Don't let the Simcoe blues or the February blahs get to you. Research new techniques and even talk to local anglers, but never stop trying. Like any other sport or hobby, fishing takes patience. Just remember, you can't catch a fish unless you're out there on the water. Now go get them. I like to eat.